5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today from our new Florida studios for Part 2 of SETI and NASA. Are we alone in the universe? Are there advanced civilizations? And what would be the societal impact if we do? Well, these questions are both fundamental and universal. And today's generation is the first that has the science and technology to prove that there is other intelligence in the cosmos. If you listened last week's program, About Space Today has found some interesting coincidences, including a NASA award to SETI for a contract for planetary protection support in the amount of $4.7 million over a 5-year period. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has for years been waiting for a message from out there in the cosmos. As our investigation continues, I'll share my conspiracy theory next on About Space Today. Are you ready to fly away on a dream vacation? For cruises and all-inclusive resort vacations, call D&D Cruise and Tours at 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. And see us on Facebook, D&D Cruise and Tours, where your dreams become a reality. Welcome back. Jill Tarter is the Director Emeritus for SETI Research. So, do you believe in aliens?
Do I believe in aliens? It's not the right question. We're talking about a scientific exploration. Whatever anyone believes has no relevance. We want to know what is. Odds are reasonable that the chemistry and physics that provided biology on this planet may have done so elsewhere. We have always asked, are we alone? We've wanted to know who's over the next hill, what's out there. I think we should try and answer it. If they help us answer it because they come here, okay.
Listen once again.
If they help us answer it because they come here, okay.
Jill Tarter, Director Emeritus of SETI Research. Well, in addition to our current planetary protection, a government project was launched about UFOs. With secret funding from then-Senator Majority Leader Harry Reid, it began in 2007 with a $22 million budget over 5 years. The program ended in 2012. It was supervised by the U.S. Defense Intelligence Agency. Recently, the Department of Defense released video and audio by United States Navy pilots.
Dude, there's on, bro. There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. My gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude. That's not our LNS, though, is it? It's not. That is an LNS, dude. Well, if there's a... Look at that thing. It's rotating.
So you want to know my conspiracy theory. I think it seems like a college prep course for what's to come. First, a must-launch, the first astrobiology mission ever by NASA. Second, a planetary protection support contract with SETI. Then the continued hints by NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine. Then the DoD releases Defense Intelligence Agency UFO footage. And there's more. We have been prepped little by little, and that life on another planet exists. A planet so very close by as perhaps Mars. This revelation may well shake planet Earth and the religions worldwide. But Will this be a surprise to you? That's my conspiracy theory. But it doesn't end here. The search has begun, and the age-old question of, are we alone in the universe, could be answered in our lifetime. Join me next Tuesday for Part 3, SETI and NASA. And thank you for joining me today, and be sure to follow us on Facebook at aboutspace.today. And listen this Friday to our special 9/11 Patriots Day with a hero's speech by President Ronald Reagan. And don't forget, share our program with your family and friends. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.